Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy English by Learning English podcast. I'm your host, Adam, and I'm excited you're here with us again.
And I'm your co-host, Sarah. Today we have a super useful and very practical topic, English at the gym or fitness center. If you go to the gym, exercise, or even plan to start working out, this episode will help you speak confidently.
Exactly. Many people feel nervous speaking English at the gym when talking to trainers, other members, or asking how to use machines.
But don't worry, after today's episode, you'll know all the important words, phrases, sentences, and real conversations that happen at fitness centers.
Gyms today are very international. You might meet people from different countries. Trainers might give instructions in English. Machines may have English labels.
Exactly. So you need simple English phrases to ask about equipment, understand instructions, ask for help, talk politely to others, describe pain or discomfort, talk about fitness goals.
Let's start with some easy vocabulary.
Sarah, here are some important gym words. Treadmill, a machine for walking or running. Dumbbells, small hand weights. Barbell, a long bar with weights. Mat, a soft floor pad. Locker, storage for your things. Trainer, gym instructor. Water dispenser, a machine for water. Membership, you pay monthly or yearly. Stretching, warming up your body. Set, number of exercise rounds. Reps, repetitions. How many times you repeat a move.
Great! These words help you understand 80% of gym communication. Here are easy sentences you can use. Can you show me how to use this machine? Is anyone using this bench? How many sets should I do? Can you correct my form? I'm new here. Where is the locker room? Do you have a monthly membership? I need a towel, please. I want to work on my legs, arms, or core. Let's practice with a short dialogue.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Can you show me how to use this treadmill?
Of course. First, press the start button, then increase the speed slowly.
Thank you. I'm new to the gym.
No problem. Let me know if you need help with anything else.
And Adam, these are some common things you hear from trainers. Warm up for 5 minutes, increase the speed, lower the weight, keep your back straight, breathe normally, relax your shoulders, don't rush, take a break, drink some water.
These are simple, and you'll hear them everywhere. Hey Adam, are you ready for today's workout? Yes. What should I start with?
Let's begin with some stretching. Touch your toes and hold for 10 seconds.
Okay. What's next?
We'll do 3 sets of squats, 10 reps each.
Got it. And after that?
We'll move to the treadmill for 15 minutes.
This is important. Use simple sentences like, my back hurts. I feel pain in my knee. Can we stop for a moment? This exercise is too hard. Can I do a lighter version? I'm feeling dizzy.
And gym staff will usually answer, let's take a break. Don't push yourself too much. We can modify the exercise. Drink some water.
People also make small talk, like, do you come here often? How long have you been training? Nice workout today. What are you training today?
And you can reply, I come here every evening, just doing some cardio. I'm focusing on strength training. trying to get healthier.
Scene: Adam and Sarah enter a gym together.
Hey Adam, this gym looks good. It's clean and big.
Yeah, I like it. Where do we start?
Let's warm up on the treadmill for 5 minutes.
Okay. Do you know how to adjust the speed?
Yes, press the up arrow to increase speed and down arrow to slow down.
Got it. Hey, do you like running?
Not really. I prefer walking or cycling. What about you?
I enjoy running, but not for too long.
All right, treadmill finished. Now let's go to the dumbbells.
What exercise are we doing?
We'll do bicep curls. We'll do 3 sets of 10 reps.
Sounds good. How's my form?
Looks great. Just keep your elbows close to your body.
Thanks. This weight is a little heavy.
Let's switch to a lighter weight.
Much better.
Next, let's try the leg press machine.
Cool. I've never used it before.
No worries. Sit down, place your feet here, and push slowly.
Oh, I feel my legs working.
Yes, that's the point.
This is great. I think I like this gym.
Me too. We should come more often.
Let's review some words. Treadmill. Dumbbells. Reps. Sets. Warm-up. Stretching. Locker. Trainer. Membership. Form. Repeat after me and Sarah. I'm new here.
Can you show me this machine?
I want to work on my arms.
Where is the locker room?
I need a towel, please.
Today, we learned how to speak English at the gym.
You learned vocabulary, simple sentences, dialogues, and real-life examples.
With this knowledge, you'll feel more confident and comfortable in any fitness center.
Thank you so much for joining us today on Easy English by Learning English podcast.
Don't forget to practice these sentences next time you go to the gym.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to follow, subscribe, and share.
We'll see you in the next episode. Stay healthy, stay strong, and keep learning English. Bye for now.